Hello everyone, my name is Roman Konev and you are on the channel about stock trading. And right now, before I show you the reversal point and trades you can make money on this week, I'm going to tell you about a $15 million mistake. No, it's not my mistake, although I'll tell you about my mistake in just a minute too. Yesterday, I heard a story on the radio about a young engraver on the island of Mauritius in the 19th century who made the mistake of writing post office instead of postpaid when creating a cliche for a postage stamp. Probably, if there was no mistake, it was an ordinary postage stamp, it would not be worth $1. But thanks to this mistake, 2 centuries later, it has become a rare mistake, a rare stamp. And now, at the last auction, this stamp sold for $15 million. Right, by the way, in the comments. Would you pay $15 million for this stamp if you had such money? Well, my mistake that I made was that I opened a trade and made a mistake and did not set a stop loss. I went to bed, woke up in the morning and saw that the price had moved further in my direction. And instead of me making $200, I made $2,000. I wish that you too have such mistakes so that you make money. But what mistake you definitely shouldn't make? It's not putting a stop loss. So, be sure to put stop losses so that you do not lose money, but earn. And by the way, if some terms are still difficult for you, you should definitely come to my course. I have a free course for beginners. Open an account. On my link in the description of this video, I will give you free trading course for beginners when you deposit your account from $300. Well, right now let's look at reversal points that you can capitalize on this week. We'll discuss the important news on Japan that's coming out. I will also show you the currency pair that is best to trade with my trading robot. Okay, here we go. Look, this is the dollar Japanese yen pair. And right now, the price is heading up towards the resistance line. In the purple line, I've marked the 158.864 line. That's the resistance line. And as soon as the price reaches it, I'm gonna draw a turquoise rectangle here. As soon as the price reaches it, it's a reversal point, and the price can break from here and go down. So at that point, we can press the sell button, that is sell, and make money on the decline. Of course, for this, you must already have an account open, funded. If not yet, open the link in the description, refill. And at this point, you can earn on the decline of the pair of dollar and Japanese yen. Why I took this particular pair of dollar and Japanese yen? Because there will be an interesting news this week. Look, there will be news on Friday, January 24th. The interest rate decision from the Central Bank of Japan, and the previous value was 0.25% and the target is 0.50%. That means that the central bank has decided to raise the interest rate by 25 basis points. If this happens, the Japanese yen may rise strongly at the time of this news. Note that the Japanese yen is basically trading in a pairing of the dollar and the Japanese yen. That is, the dollar goes first, then the Japanese yen, which means the growth of the Japanese yen will cause the dollar and Japanese yen pair to fall. Let's take a look at the charts. I have already said that I am waiting for the dollar and Japanese yen pair to fall from the resistance line 158.864. And if the price is near this resistance line at the time of the news release, it doubles the probability that the price will actually go down. And it means that it will be possible to make a very good profit at this moment. So do not miss this news. In order not to miss it, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. 30 minutes before the release of such important news, I warn you, a post with the values of the news with my recommendations, and we all make money on it together. Also look, there is another resistance line above. That is, if the price does go further, you can sell from here again or make averaging. By the way, I have a separate video on my channel about the averaging strategy. You should watch it. Here is the price, 161.9946. It is also a resistance line, and from it the price can also go down, turn around, and you can make money on it. Let's see more currency pairs with the Japanese yen. For example, Euro Japanese yen, and here we see that this pair is in such a triangle or consolidation, and there is a resistance line of the triangle. This is the upper boundary, and the lower boundary is the support line. Accordingly, if the price reaches the resistance line, we sell from here and make money on the decline, because we expect a price reversal here. If the price goes down, there will also be a reversal from bottom to top, and it will be possible to buy from the support line and expect that the price will go up and earn on the growth. Therefore, mark yourself with alerts not to miss these reversal points. You can make good money on them. By the way, if you do not want to analyze and wait, I have a VIP channel. In my VIP channel, I publish my reversal points and signals. Buy or sell. So if anything, subscribe. I'll be glad to see you. Let's take a look at a currency pair with the Japanese yen. This is the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. It's an interesting situation here as well. Look, the price is approaching the support line, more precisely to the resistance line. And here we are also waiting for the price correction in the reversal point. That is, the price will approach the resistance line. It will turn around and go down. Therefore, there is a high probability. So it will be possible to sell here and make money on the decline. Let's look at the euro-dollar currency pair. It is in such a sideways trend. By the way, in this trend, it is good to run my trading robot in buy and sell mode at the same time. If you have not tried the robot yet, write to me on the link in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free and test it. Look, if you trade manually, you can buy from the support line here and make money on the growth in this place. By the way, the video will probably come out and it will either be in this reversal point zone. If the price goes a little bit lower, there is another support line from the level of 1.02568. It will also be possible to buy and capitalize on the growth. Well, if the price goes up during the week, there are two resistance lines waiting for it here. From here, you can also sell and make money on the decline. You can also use averaging. And let's take a final look at gold. As I said in the previous issues, it is rising. I think it will continue to rise, but before it breaks through its lines, its highs, it will come to a resistance line. There are two lines here. We see the first one and the second one. So once price approaches the first line, we can sell here and capitalize on the decline. If the price goes further, there is another line. Here, the price is $27.91 per troy ounce. It will also be possible to sell and earn on the decline. These are the recommendations for this week. If it was useful, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel at the link in the description. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye, everyone.